Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Advit. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Sorry for not uploading a video for so long time. I have a very special news to share with all of you. We have been blessed with a baby boy. We got Advit's brother named Adish. So again we'll continue with the videos. Today I'm uploading the video for kindergarten kids. It's a very interesting worksheet. So let's get started.
So this is the sheet 1. Number as words. So here are some numbers in words. We have to match with the numeral figure. Okay, circle the correct number of each word. Come on, start doing Advit.
The number 9 is 9.
Yeah.
The number 2 is 2.
Yeah.
The number 4 is 4.
Yeah.
The number 3 is 3.
Yeah.
The number 5 is 5. The number 7 is 7. The number 10 is 10. The number 8 is 8. The number 1 is 1. The number 6 is 6.
Very good. This is the second sheet. This is very interesting sheet. What we have to do, here are some pictures with letters. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to guess which picture it is, and we have to circle the beginning sound of the picture. Come on, do it.
First picture is cat. Cat.
Do
The
it
second picture is grapes. Grapes. The third picture is an apple. Apple. The fourth picture is a ball. Ball.
You can say direct now what the picture is.
Car. Car.
Very good.
Umbrella. Umbrella. Star. Star. Tree. Tree. Kite. Kite. Sun. Sun.
Good. So, what we have to do in this sheet? Here are some rhyming the words where we have to circle the rhyming word of the given word. Come on, do.
The rhyming word for fun is sun.
Yeah.
The rhyming word for top is pop. The rhyming word for cat is rat. The rhyming word for tin is pin. The rhyming word for cow is how. The rhyming word for mad is sad. The rhyming word for fog is dog.
Good. This worksheet is very relaxing sheet for the kids. Why? Because this is the brain boosting worksheet. What we have to do? You have to take the odd one out. Come on, do it.
The square is the odd one out.
Because all the pictures are
Circles.
good.
The star is the odd one out.
Odd one out between?
Ovals.
Not between, among. Yeah.
The other L is the opposite. The odd one out.
Yeah.
The cross is the odd one out.
Yeah.
The D is the odd one out.
I think all are same. The D is odd one, right?
Yeah.
So, here are some opposite words with the pictures. Okay, so you have to look carefully the picture and match the opposite words. Come on, start doing.
The opposite of up is down.
Very good.
The opposite of hot is cold.
Yeah.
The
Why
opposite
it's hot? Because it's tea and ice cream is?
cold.
Yeah.
The opposite of happy is sad. The opposite of day is night. The opposite of big is just small.
Good. So this is the maths worksheet and interesting because of the pictures. What we have to do? We have to count the object, then write how many there are. Come on, do.
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cherries.
Good.
1, 2, 3. There are 3 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cookies.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lollipops.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 ice creams.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Good. So, what is this?
It's a type of pattern.
Pattern. So it helps in It's for hand-eye coordination and they can write easily. Okay.
And
what you
holding
have-
the pencil
Yeah,
properly.
yeah. So what you have to do? You have to help the cat to reach to the
Mittens.
Come on, do. Do it fast, fast. Ah, they got the mitten. So this is the last worksheet. What you have to do? Here are some pictures and letters. You have to match the letter with the pictures. Come on, do.
The beginning letter of fish is F. The beginning letter of flower is F. The beginning letter of ball is B. The beginning letter of banana is also B. The beginning letter of tree is T.
Good.
I hope you all like this worksheet. These worksheets are really good, interesting and creative for the kindergarten kids. You can use it on daily basis practice worksheet. It's suitable for the age group of 3 to 5 year kids. Really interesting. Please use this worksheet, and if you want to download this worksheet, I will provide PDF link in description below so that you can download and use for your kids. For more such learning videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn with Advit. See you in the next video. See you again. Bye bye.